A federal jury has awarded Derrick Newman about $40,000 following a civil trial in which he claimed two Beaumont police officers violated his rights during a traffic stop. Juries convicted both Todd Burke and Cody Guedry of official oppression, but the convictions were later overturned. Burke is now retired while Guedry remains an officer with the Beaumont Police Department. Both men are awaiting retrials, but no date has been set. According to previous testimony in the criminal trials, Burke hit Derrick Newman 13 times with his police baton, and Cody Guedry used his taser twice on Newman. This is dash cam video of the August 2007 traffic stop. Late this afternoon, the jury in the civil trial found no evidence that Cody Guedry violated Newman's constitutional rights. However, the jury found that Todd Burke did violate Newman's rights and that Burke acted with malice and reckless indifference. The jury ordered Burke to pay Newman about $40,000. That includes money for medical expenses, loss of earnings, pain and anguish, and punitive damages. Tom Wright has more on today's verdict. Tom?
Today, in closing arguments in this federal civil lawsuit, Derrick Newman's attorney, Langston Adams, told the 5 men and 4 women who made up the jury that this case was not about race, but it is about who's policing the police. The jury deliberated for 5 hours after a 3-day trial, and the star of this case has always been the dash cam video. In the end, the jury decided Todd Burke, and only Todd Burke, violated Derrick Newman's constitutional rights, and that he acted with malice or callous or reckless indifference. The jury awarded Derrick Newman a total of $40,000. Todd Burke walked out of the courtroom and told us he's been advised that it wasn't a good time to comment on the decision. Derrick Newman says he still wants his day in a criminal court.
Well, I feel vindicated by the verdict, but I think we need to move on to the next step, pursuing criminal charges against these officers for their actions. And I look forward to talking with our new DA.
I think that there needs to be a call by every citizen that, hey, a citizens review board is what's needed, and that you can't rely on the police to police themselves.
Todd Burke's attorney called the decision a disappointment. 6.5 years after the video captured the use of force and 4 jury decisions, it will now be in the hands of the new Jefferson County District Attorney whether to proceed with the still pending criminal cases against Todd Burke and Cody Guedry.